Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can clear your dark ties. To some persons it can be so depressing. To some person they can lose their self-esteem because of the dark area. So on this video I'm going to show you some things that is very much within your reach you can use to clear these dark ties. And if this is the kind of content you love and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell. So let's dive in. So all you'll be needing for this production is your baking soda. I didn't say baking powder. Bicarbonate of soda. That is what you'll be needing for this. A tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, or you call it your baking soda, in your clean bowl. Then a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of water. You know that definitely you will need either honey or water to calm your baking soda. You don't apply it on your skin directly. All right, so I will have to tell you some of the benefits of these two to clearing dark spots, dark ties. These things have different benefits for different things, but for the sake of this production I'm going to tell you what it does for this. All right, these two ingredients are exfoliators. When we talk about exfoliating, this is kind of bringing to life every dead things, those things that are dead in your life that makes your ties to be dark. So these things are going to bring them to life and make them look the way they should look. All right, so and it smooths every readiness. It's reduce discoloration, because definitely when you have your dark ties it won't be of the same color complexion with your other path. That is the reason why you feel bad about it. So a quick reminder, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. This will help me to have the strength to continually bring content like this to you. Okay, so as I was saying, I was trying to tell you the benefits of baking soda on your skin. Baking soda also has natural bleaching properties, which help to reduce dark pigmentation over time. So you don't expect it to be an overnight thing. No, it takes a while. Give this 1 month. I tell you, you will have a lot of changes. You'll be glad you do. Just get a cotton pad. Whenever you are done, you apply it on that area. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you wash off and go to bed. All right. If you don't have cotton pad, do well to use your hand, and you are good to go. Try this and come and tell me the effects. And if you've tried this before, tell me on the comment section whether it worked or it didn't work for you. All right, thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.